The new build just helped the homeowners really open up the space, give the open concept with the kitchen, dining, bar area into the living room, all being one big entertaining space.
The kitchen and the dining room were big, important spaces for us in this house.
That's where you entertain, that's where people gather. We were working with Emily, we really wanted to look at all the different material options and different colors and wood grain and everything, and eventually saw the FENIX swatches and really fell in love with the Verde Comodoro.
The Verde Comodoro is exactly what the clients wanted.
Just that deep green color worked perfectly in our kitchen, and the matte finish. We have a lot of natural light in here, so we really wanted a clean, durable product that was not super high gloss in such a high traffic area.
They love the wonderful velvety feel of the material. We were able to mix the Verde Comodoro with our white oak rift veneer with just a clear coat. They complement each other, balance each other really well, and just brings a ton of interest to the space.
The spaces are adjoining, so it gives a really good transfer of color from the dining room to the kitchen. When you walk in the front door of the house, it looks really beautiful. And I'm kind of a cocktail guy myself, really amateur mixologist. So it was an easy choice there because I wanted something that I could be messy around, but at the same time know that it would clean up beautifully because that's where we entertain and that's where we have our dinners. So after I make those drinks, really be able to clean that up and make it look good.
What's really unique about Concept32 cabinetry is that we have a zero edge banding. The edge band wraps the sides of the door or drawer fronts and gives a more flawless, almost painted look, so you don't have a visible edge. It's a much more updated, gorgeous look for today's cabinets.
Once we got the cabinets in, we started to notice that just the color palettes and the matte finish really matched with a lot of the other higher end appliances and cabinet pulls and countertops and things that we wanted to have in the house. And really that FENIX product helps to really tie everything together.